Hello, audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the candidates debate, leaders debate program. So it is a wonderful opportunity for all the candidates to introduce themselves and also a great opportunity for our students to have an interaction with our future leaders. You can have questions and you will have a debate. Yes. Then to introduce to welcome to welcome the leader candidates, I invite our Vice Principal Vilasini ma'am. Over to VM. Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please.
Dear Principal Sir, and my dear colleagues and dear students, and the candidates, I welcome you all to this e-voting debate. So you have to participate in this debate in your best. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Now I request VM to call one by one the candidates for their introduction.
Sir,
the first session is
first, sir, I have to check.
Yes, all are available. All are available here.
So that list note, I didn't take it. Their list noted.
Okay, sir, I can.
That
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, first of all, I invite Abdul Hadi to introduce. Hadi.
Good morning, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Myself, Abdul Hadi from Pandikat, studying in class 8A. My dear friends, our school plays a vital role in character forming, and school experiences marks us for life. If elected, I will focus on creating a healthy environment with equal opportunities where students can excel academically and mature socially. I will also look forward to enrich Najat School campus and develop it as number one in our region. Thirdly, I hope to achieve a better student-teacher relationship and a stronger student voice, which I believe will lead to a more productive environment. Finally, as a sports lover and player, I would like to improve the sports facilities and increase awareness regarding the benefits of physical fitness. The timely relevant symbol is given to me, which is the sanitizer. So please cast your vote for me. Thank you.
Okay, next, I wish to call upon Reema. Reema, please.
Okay. Can anyone see me properly? No?
Yes, Reema.
Okay. Good evening, all. Hoping you all are going good and safe. Myself, Reema, and I'm studying 10th standard. And my symbol is an umbrella. I'm standing for the head girl position. So I believe we won't forget that. Okay. A leader must be an influencer who does not require to force the people to follow him. Rather, it is his personalities and qualities that makes them follow. And I believe I'm such a person. And I bet you got my introduction right now. And so I'm ready for today. And let's start the program. Thank you.
Okay, next, I wish to call upon Akhil.
Hello, my dear friends. Good afternoon to all. My name is Muhammad Akhil. I am studying 9th. As you all know, I am a candidate of election 2K21. I am standing from head boy. My symbol is pen. You all want to vote for me. I want your all of support from you. If I get elected as a head boy, there are something I like to publish. In this situation, we not conduct sports. We conduct sports in online applications. There are many applications to conduct sports. Thank you.
Okay, next I would like to invite Leah Fatima. Leah.
Hello, dears. My name is Leah. I'm studying 8th standard. As you all know, I am starting as a girl in school, and my channel is Book. Here, I give my 4 offers for you. First one, if we stay online, we will bring back our arts through online facility. Second one, prizes will be given those who get first and second rank in every class. Third one, those who lagging behind their studies, we will start a sense teaching progress for them. Fourth one, we will start a school bagging system to create a safe mentality in every children. So if you vote for me, I will fulfill all these promises for you. And I will be here for you at any time. And please vote for the symbol book. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, next I invite Shaheen.
Hi everyone, I'm Muhammad Shaheen from class 10. As you know, we are going to conduct our school council at this week last Saturday, and I'm one of the candidates. I'm as a head boy, and my symbol is laptop. I choose it is very close to our real life, especially now we are moving through a situation like this, and I stand as a head boy. I have been studying in Najaf till 12 years, and I have well experienced it, and I know all the ambience and the current situations about Najat. And I'll be a great friend of you as well as a leader, and we will together can move front and forward and make this year as a remarkable one. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, next the last candidate, Rania Naushad. Now, Rania, please.
Okay, Miss, thank you. A very good evening to NEMS. So, as we know, we have already conducted one debate section, and I think most of you may know me, but let me introduce myself for everyone. So, my name is Rania Norshad, and I'm a student studying in our NEMS since my KG section. And I am contesting in our NEMS e-voting 2K21, and my symbol is cake. So most of my friends have a confusion that to whom I have to vote for. So if I were you, then I will be giving my votes for a person who can prove that my vote have a value, and I will be choosing a person who can make some changes for better tomorrows. And I'm not sure that I will win this context, but I'm sure that if I win, I will be there to support you in every cases, and I will be there to solve any problems into solutions. And Miss Bank is there. That's not a problem.
Okay, let's wait for some time.
Sir, can I start the remaining?
Yes.
So I'm not sure that I will get many votes and I will win this contest, but I'm sure that I will be trying my all the best and I will be giving my 100% involving in that, and I'm sure that I will be there to support you in any harder times, and I will be giving you all the opportunities as much as I can to prove your talents and skills, and I will be providing all the things you needed to give a better growth of our school. And our aim is 100% developed school for us. And at last, I would like to remind a quote which I made 1 week ago. That is that if you are voting for a person who can make some changes, then you are making that changes. So please remain this and vote for cake. So my symbol is cake. I hope everyone will remain this. So thank you. Please vote for cake. Thank you for everyone for supporting.
Okay, sir. That was the
Yes.
last.
Yes. Thank you so much, all the dear candidates. So the introduction session was very nice and wonderful. And dear friends, we are moving to the very important session now, Q&A session. The students can ask questions to these candidates about their office, about their future plans, about their election, offers and everything. In the last session we conducted for 3 to 5th standard students. That was very interesting session. I would like to thank all the candidates. They were performing very well. It was one of the active meeting we have ever been conducted. And in this session, you may be getting the same questions again from different classes, but think that you are giving them very good answers, and also think that this is another session and the students are different. Even if you are same, students are different, audience are different, right? So over to any student, it is an open forum. If there is anyone is having, so make sure that you are switching on your video before you are going to ask a question, right? Yes. Start. Anyone can unmute your audio and ask. I think Al-Shaikh was about to ask one question. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, start.
My first question is to Leah. She told us that she would make one school banking system, and I want to know something more about it. How she planned to conduct it, and can you explain that, Leah?
In 1 week, we say all students to pay a amount at least above 5. We can pay in the school bank. School bank means money saving place. And we will say all students to pay an amount, and in last of that year we will give the students amount to them, and they will get an big amount that they can save. If we are using money to buy sweets and other because of that we will lose many money. Instead of that we are saving money in our school bank, and in the at the last of the year we get a big amount of money. That like I think now.
Yes, over to next question from any others are having question. Teachers can also ask questions.
Excuse me, sir. I have the question to Reema.
Yeah.
Hello, Reema. Are you? Hello, Reema.
Yes, miss.
Hello, Reema. Are you here? Okay. Reema, your symbol is umbrella.
Yes.
How you act an umbrella in your school? What is the umbrella? A lot of meaning there. Inner meaning is there. So how can you act as an umbrella for our school?
Umbrella for our, what's the question last one?
Our school, our students.
Okay. I will explain through an example. If a rain is so strong rain coming, and we have only one umbrella in our hand, What will we do if our friends were not have any umbrella with them? We will share with them, isn't it? We will share and we will all together in one umbrella, under one umbrella. So that means unity. There is one sharing things. So whenever we have a Malayalam pronoun for that, Kudakil and Mukaparim. So we are a lot of persons in one under a single umbrella. That is more sharing. What we can say, sharing things. That's increasing the relationship between friends, and that's all. That's that. I now you ask her questions. Now my mind that come.
Okay, thank you, Rima. Just next my question to Rania Naushad. Rania, you stood for changes, and also you make us also for change. See that how? What's your plan to make
Actually,
to make
my
changes?
plan is not ending with one or two plan. Actually, human beings are very creative. So my plan is not ending, but making changes. Nowadays, we are in online class, and we are some of the students may be bored because of online class. But we are going to make our technologies maximum use. For example, in our sports section, I promise that there will be sports conducting very actively by doing so many indoor games by using our technologies in use, and maybe there will be many indoor games like chess and like Ludo, and many other games will be there, which by which students can prove their talents. And many changes are there. We can install many many technologies in our school, and we can make our nowadays we will get many chance for making all the classes in online, and we will be getting many chance to present our screen. And we last year, I think before last year, I think we have a chance for smart class. So nowadays we are getting our mobile phone with us, so we can do our class more interesting, and students must be invested to the class, so we can bring lot of changes. Not only this, my aim is 100% development of our school. So many things are on the way, like arts, sports, our eco-friendly presentations, and many things are there. So hope when I win, there will be a chance for making many changes in our school. Thank you.
Thank you, Rania. Excuse me, sir. One more question I have to ask to Shaheen. See, actually, we teachers are facing that nowadays. We are asking them to switch on their video, but they are not doing. So, in the side of our Shaheen, when he become the head boy of our school, how he promote to switch on the video to his own friends or our students?
Very good question. Very good
As a
question.
leader, I would like, that's a nice question, and first I want to be a role model. Thus, I'll be of switching on the video all the time or in the class, and I'll be saying my friends also to switching on. We will be making more.
Okay, Shahi, we expect your support. Then the remaining questions, remaining 2, 3 candidates are there. I will ask later.
Yes, thank you. Yes, open forum. Is there anyone who is interested to ask question? You can come switch on your mic and video, just ask question. Yes. Who is coming next? You have starting trouble or anything else like that? You have already started the program. Yes. I think Aslam has switched on his video. Are you going to ask question, Aslam?
More students are there. So after that, I can look.
Okay, okay. So when you are asking question, you can tell the name of the candidate to those who are you going to ask question, or otherwise you can just mention I am asking this question to everyone. So let me ask one question to you now. Otherwise, if you are not asking question, let me ask question. So those who are not able to ask.
Hello,
Yes, Nishat ma'am.
Rania. How did you conduct sports in online platform? Please explain it.
Actually, Miss, we do have some limitations, but I think in case when we were in our offline class, we will be conducting many kind of sports. In my mind, there finally, first of all, I got indoor games. For example, nowadays many applications are there. For example, many applications like chess, many applications with name chess itself there is, so we can be given as 4 team or 2 team for chess. So they can be contested as online. We can do as there is an option from online quiz. We can online chess competitions. We can do like online. There will be a name given. We can complete. And another method is that for racing or any another thing. I don't know whether it will be successful or another thing successful or not. But in my case, I think by one's physical activity, we can improve that by many methods. Nowadays, YouTube, we can see many methods for yoga and other things. So we can try doing that also by looking YouTube. Nowadays, we are getting more facilities than before, but we will be not able to do as like as offline, but we can make something in change of that. But and sometimes in race we can go in a Google Meet and we can check a straight path and there will be given. That will be very difficult, but if we are ready to conduct, that will be okay. Then given a particular distance, a second of time will be mentioned, so we can do like so also.
Okay.
So these are my plans. And inventions are coming on the way.
So let me ask you a question. So you're all contesting to be the head boy or head girl of this next academic year of NEMS. So I wish you all the best. Let you become, but only one head boy and only one head girl can be the leader. But others will be getting an opportunity to be the council members. But what will be your response when you become the head girl or head boy, or when you don't become head boy or head girl? What will be your first response? And my question is to everyone.
Yeah, actually, when I become a head girl, I will be happy and I will be happy to help any persons, and I will be trying my all the best to help them. And when I lose, many people may say that Rani and Osha, she lost it, but to me, it's not a loss. I have two options: gain and gain. Actually, sometimes I will be a head girl one gain, and sometimes I will lose and I will get many experience from that. So there is another gain for me when I think it is positively. So I will be getting great experience by that experience. I could perform more better for any other task in remaining for this. So I think anyway, moving forward, we will not get any failure. But if we only fail when we are not moving forward. When we are stopping in a fixed position, then we will fail. But when we are moving forward, there will be no fail. Either you will get one experience or you will get a good victory. So that's all. Thank you.
If I win or lost in this competition, I will be getting more experience because I have been contesting last years also, and I am improving from there. And then also my improvement is not finished. I will be getting failed also. Then it will give me a chance again to remake it and make decisions. If I win, I will be very happy to serve for Najat for some days. as it is a great one. Thank you.
In my case,
I-
if I
I
win,
will-
I will definitely. It's become so nice for me. And if I lost, there's no problem because I'm a person who listening to Sunday's class of principal sir. So just take it positive one. And if I lose or win, no matter what is this, I will move forward. And if I win, if I lose also, I will support you anytime. You can come to me. You can approach me anytime. I will be there for you, and I will definitely help you if no one help you. Okay, and that's it.
In my win, I'm very happy to fulfill promises, and if I lost, that is a great lesson in my life, and try my best at next time.
If I get this position, I am very happy. I lost this position, I am also happy. I get a great experience in this.
If I was a winner, inshallah, I will be so happy and fulfill what I talked about and all. But if someone else win, it will be a good experience participating it, and it was the best for me.
Yes. I hope everyone has given me a reply. Thank you. Is there anyone to ask a question? Please open. All of you can just open your mic and ask me a question.
Hello, Liana. Hello, Liana.
Hello,
Liana, okay. I face some problem that when your reforms, when you introduce your reforms here, your sound breaking. That is why I heard only your banking system, school banking system. So in this online system, how you apply this school banking system? What is your plan?
I create a group for that, and I will tell our students to
Actually, it is a nice idea, Liana. Student savings.
students to save a amount about 5, and I will ask them how many amount you collect.
Okay, thank you.
Then, Miss, can I say one method? Can I just say? Actually, nowadays, most of our, in case of India also, most of the citizens are developed and most of them are switching into Paytm and Google online methods. So, in case of anything, nowadays they are using online payment. Paytm, etc. they are using. So why don't we just transfer 10 rupees or 20 rupees per month to palliative? Actually, we are doing that. When we are not doing like so, many of the patients are with actually they were living with our help. And our help means they were depending on people who can give some help. So in the case of lockdown, some of the case it is stopped, and some of them are really doing a good job. So we too have to start that, I think. So we can do by Paytm.
Yes, Rania, this answer I expected from you. Thing is that Najat English Middle School Karivaragonda, one of the best donator for our palliative care unit. So we can think to collect some money and donate to palliative. If our principal sir is there, his opinion she will share.
Yes, let us discuss that after the finishing of the election. These are just policy making, meeting and everything.
Because we are the best donator for Karivaragonda palliative.
Yes,
Yes.
and congratulations to all the students participated in the program last year. Yes. So anyway, happy news that our secretary, general secretary, and our ex-MLA Advocate Umar Saib was watching our program for last half an hour.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. And he just left the meeting because he has a meeting there. But anyway, he just told me he will not be talking anything. It was just for the presence, just to watch what is happening there, because he may be having that much experience in politics, candidature, and everything related to that election. Inshallah, we'll be inviting those kinds of people for our investiture ceremony in the future. So over to other students, please ask questions to the candidates, make them strong.
I have a question to Abdul Hadi.
Okay.
Okay.
Why did you choose the symbol sanitizer for your candidate?
That's actually a good question, and I didn't choose the symbol myself. I chose the different symbol, and the night before all the roles were selected, our principal sir called me and said that symbol is actually it's not in this election. So to choose a different symbol, he helped me, and he helped me pick the symbol sanitizer. And I actually like that symbol a lot because it's a timely, relevant symbol.
Very good, Hadi.
Dear friends, time is running out. We have barely 1 hour time, so we can move to next. What is yes, Aslam?
The question is to Rani and Ashad. A leader must be very knowledgeable. Then, according to universe, what is knowledge?
Actually, to me, in my case, knowledge is not something studying from our school just by hurting so many things and just omitting it after exams, and we will get most of the mark, and we will be applying for a job, and we will get because of the mark. Actually, to me, that is not a knowledge. Knowledge is everywhere. We can find it everywhere, but we have to choose a great knowledge. We have to choose the better one from the knowledge. So we don't want to stop our knowledge just from a piece of book or piece of a paper. They are giving knowledge, but I'm not saying that they are not. But we don't want to stop that from a piece of paper or a book. But we have to search for knowledge. Everything around us is knowledge. So we have to find the positive things, positive knowledge, and the most wanted knowledge for us. And we have to get many skills by that, and we have to perform with that knowledge. So that's my opinion in regarding to the knowledge. So thank you. And a leader must have many knowledge as like understanding skills and vision and many other things. If a leader, if he have to solve a problem, then he must have to understand what's their problem. So a leader must have so many knowledge in case of understanding, vision, and inspiring. They must have so many knowledge. So I think these are the things which I know about knowledge, and this is my opinion. Thank you for asking, Aslam. That was a nice question.
But my question was according to universe, not education or nothing. According to universe, what is knowledge? What will feel us make? What is knowledge, and what will turn it into a human or thing? And it's
Oh,
my
you are quoting me. You are the universe.
yes,
Okay.
universally.
Yes, knowledge is an element key element which a person need. And in a case of knowledge, if the person have a knowledge, he can act and survive in any problems. In case of a universe, by knowledge, a person can survive in any problems. And knowledge makes a person to complete his task very easier than before. So a knowledge person can complete his task other than complete very easily than unknowledge person. An uneducated person will be very hard to survive if he have no correct or particular knowledge for a given thing. So that's what I know about.
Very good, Rania. Well said.
Thank you, ma'am.
And
Yes,
another
who's next
question,
going to ask?
Rima. She has an idea about our LKG to fifth students by each subject to give them interest each and subjects by I don't know whether she or She discussed about it with our. I did not get a clear clarity about it. Rima, can you explain our lectures?
Actually, I didn't understand your questions once
So
more.
actually, I think he asked that you have just mentioned in the introduction of your candidates that you are going to implement some methods here to make the classes more interesting in the classes, especially from LKG to the primary classes. Then what is your plan regarding that? Am I right, Aslam? Do you mean
Yes.
that? Yeah.
So we know there is no in my plans there is no age difference are there, no class difference are there. All are equal. So we will conduct so many programs to entertain the children, no matter there are a 10th standard or an LKG student. So we want to introduce so many programs and that will make them so happiness. And so I think once or twice or after every 2 weeks, we will conduct some simple magic show or some riddle asking questions or some build up brain build up questions just for fun. And they want to interest in that one, and they will not stress on their studies, and there or so many problems will be there while they are studying in this online platform. So to reduce that one, we want to introduce small programs or arrangement for this. That's why I said so. We want to introduce that will interest the children no matter what their age. If I also have so many problems, so stressful life in this online situation. So like that, all every LKG students will have also like that. So I know what's the behavior of that kind of when they were so many works and so many things they want to do left. So they were that kind of people. They can to reduce this all things. That we want to introduce some small programs like simple magic show itself. That will make them very happy to reduce some calm and relaxed one. That's I hope. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question to Rania Naushad.
Yes, Hannah, can you please switch on a video also, Hannah? Those who are asking questions are requested to switch on your video also when you're switching on your audio. All right. Yes. Yes, Hannah, you can ask question now. Switch on your audio. I think you are muted now.
Can you explain your strengths and weakness as a leader in this pandemic situation? Actually, my strength as a leader, I think, trying to understand, trying for everything. I think that is my strength, and my weakness is that I couldn't focus everything at the same time. That's my weakness, as I think, because I would take some time for some things, because but I am trying. I think my strength could make in charge of my weakness. I think I am trying for everything, but I have to take some time for that. I think that's my weakness and that's my strength, and I hope my strength will overcome my weakness. Thank you, and it was a nice question. I have a question to Abdul Hadi.
Rahmatullah, can you please switch on your video also? So we'll be happy to see you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Yes. Yes, Rahmatullah, please switch on your audio and ask question.
You promised that you will promote in sports case you can you please conduct us a PT period?
I can conduct like a PT period or fun period it will be on based on every time I will ask the authorities and principal sir and everyone for permission, and we'll do period like fun quizzes, sport quizzes. Like if it's your favorite sport is football, we'll do like quiz like who scored the goal in the last game, who scored the goal in the next, who's the best player, and like that. We can do so many quizzes, we can do so many question answers, we can do so many Q&A, we can do so many debates also.
Okay, Abdulhadi.
That was actually pretty impressive question. Thank you.
Sir, I have a question for Rania Naushad.
Okay, Meherin, you can ask us.
Why you take the symbol of cake?
Actually, the symbol of cake, I selected two symbols. One is pen and one is cake. So while selecting the second symbol, my friend Sida, Fatima Sida of 9th, helped me that it is better to choose a cake. So I also thought that it will be better to select cake because all the children love cake and it is very sweet. So that's why I think that is more better to select. So I have one colorful one and I have one educative purpose symbol selected. And fortunately, I can say fortunately, I got cake. So I'm very happy by cake and I will be very happy to know that all of them may remember cake. So I think that's a good option and fortunately I got it. So that was a nice question. Thank you for asking.
Sir, can I two more questions, then finish? The question is to Abdul Hadi. How do you
Yes. Yes, over to Aslan.
I didn't hear that question clearly.
I am repeating.
No, noted.
Respond to stress and pressure.
I respond to stress and pressure like for 5 minutes. If I like, even if you are in electronics, you'll get headache, stress, and etc. Or in before exams, you'll get so many stress and pain. There's actually a saying like before exam, if you need to be your exam to be stressful, you should learn everything, but you should not look anything before the 5 minutes before the exam, because if you look in the book and look for learning everything 5 minutes before exam, it will make more stress and it will make your brain into trouble. But the last 5 minutes, if you like take a small meditation like breathe in, breathe out, it will relieve your brain and it will give you more time and it will increase your IQ.
Then the next question, it is based on option. If you take a idea or a decision, as suppose as you are a leader of head leader of school, then principal is not allowing a good positive idea. What would you do? Two options. One will be struggle or quit the job. Which will you prefer?
Struggle. Quitting
Or
is not an option because there's a saying, pain only lasts for a moment, but pain only lasts for a moment, but like if you quit and you look back to it, it lasts forever. Like you'll think that I shouldn't have quit that job, I shouldn't have went out like that. That lasts forever, but pain only lasts for a little moment.
I think our working will be there, and our success will be always with us. So I think our struggle will be gone after being a success. If you think about a successful person, we can see that there will be many struggles. There will be only some people to be stand with us in our painful days or painful any our harder days. But in case of you may think that in case you have a success, there will be many people to follow you. There will be many people to congratulate you. There will be many people to make for making congratulation and following and always making with you. There will be many people to stand with you. So I think struggle is better because our success will be after for every time, and with the struggle only we will get some success. Without struggle we will not get in a way any point of life. Without struggle we can reach. Pain will be there, but we will get something instead.
And I also have to say something more to the question that Aslam asked. From Mark Zuckerberg to Elon Musk, every billionaires have struggled at least once in their life to reach that level of to reach the level they are currently right now. So I will happily choose struggle than quit.
Very good, Abdul Hadi.
I think Aslam is happy with the answer, right?
Sir, many students, what will you do?
I know why are you asking the question. Okay, good. Is there anyone who wants to ask the question? We have, I think, 10 more minutes.
So I have a
Yes,
question to our Abdul Had itself, and the question is, I saw you are a newcomer, yeah?
Yes.
Then what is your motivation? If when I'm going to be standing as election candidate, when you have any fear that if I get any support because I'm not familiar to anyone, I'm a newcomer. If I get any support, that's any fear did you have, and what is the motivation also?
I had so many fears of that no one will vote me. I'm so new, but this is actually a new experience for me to be in an election and getting votes or doing votes. That's why I stand for this. And the last is the old school that I studied in. It was only for the last year students that can be the head boy or head girl in the school. Like only the 10th standard can be the full head boy of the full school. That's why I decided to be one of the head boy. Actually, it's a quite new experience, and it's not a problem if I lose. It will actually be a very good experience.
And what is your motivation?
My motivation will be my parents, maybe my mother and father. They give so much motivation. Also, my friends, my old friends, and my cousins, etc. Whenever I want to quit, my friends will be like, if you quit, you won't remember where you started, etc. They'll say every like this, so I won't quit.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, is there anyone who would like to ask any more questions to any candidates?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
My
Nisha,
question is
please.
to Rima.
Okay.
Rima?
Yes.
Rima, are you here? Yes.
Yeah.
My question is, what's your plan about our arts?
Our online arts fest, isn't it? So we all know they were not possible on offline arts, but yet we can do in online also. That's a very good thing that we can do now. Even in this pandemic situation, also we are doing the arts. So many people are there can even can even celebrate their or experiences their school life. So I think this is so good questions. And arts life, in my case, I say that there are so many singers and so many offline, offstage and onstage programs. When we are offline classes, we have off stage and on-stage programs. So like that, we want to conduct in this online platform also. In off-stage items like drawing competition, poster making, etc. And in online competition like in on-stage or competition like singing. That's the main thing that I know, singing and dancing, etc. So through online itself, we can. There are so many, I think, Shreya Ghoshals are there, and so many people are there who can sing very well. So we want to improve their talent also through this online platform itself, because they don't want to be lag behind because of their talents or something. We want to make a way for them to support their ideas and support them, and we want to improve their and develop their talent through this online platform itself. So I think this arts fest will be really helpful to them during this pandemic situation.
Okay, okay. I think our secretary is here. Again, Umar Saib, are you there? Can you just share a few words with our students? Sir, can you please unmute your audio and talk something to our students? Okay. Okay, we'll be seeing now. Yes, over to next participant to ask questions.
Sir, can I ask one question to Akhil? Akhil is
Yes.
here. Akhil is here. Hello,
Yes,
Akhil.
he's here.
Akhil, please respond. Hello, Akhil.
Akhil can't join because of net problem.
So I have to shift.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Okay,
I have
we
a
are going to... Yes,
Sir,
yes,
I
yes.
have
Sati ma'am.
Muhammad Shaimi.
I want to ask a question to Hadi. Okay. In
Okay.
his
Yes.
candidate, he told us that he is going to change the environment of our school, like that he told. And how he is going to change the environment of our school, that I want to know.
I will create a more more student-teacher relationship and a stronger student voice. I'll make like all the students get to talk to teachers more and talk to them not just about studies, more like about life, etc. So that they can see teachers not just as teachers, also as friends. So they can they will be more interested in classes and school, and more interested in joining that teacher's class. So if every teacher is practicing like that, they will be interested in joining class joining every class so easily.
Hadi, that friendly relationship is not at all going on. Such an environment is not there in the Najat English Medium School now.
No, there is, but I just said that I will improve.
Okay.
I think Hadi, creating more social and emotional environment in our school. I think Hadi will likewise.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
I think Hannah wants to ask one question. Where is he? Hannah? Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please ask.
What? Okay, sir. What are some of the qualities of a school captain should have? I have a question to Muhammad Shamim.
Okay, that was a nice question. And every politician is an experience. He wants to be an experienced person and want to hear from their subordinates and want to, before taking action, he wants to discuss with his friends. And I like to introduce a democracy system like I will be making sub juniors, and making a head from there. And from every class, I will be selecting a leader, and from LKG, UKG, that position, from there, togetherly we select one person, and in sub juniors also we will selecting one person, and juniors also we will be, from every section we will be selecting a student and making a small another council there, and we will be discussing from there. If their answer is not good, we will be also asking from the class leaders, and then also we are not getting perfect, we will be going for another from the teachers and all, though we will take decision after discussing with everyone. Okay, thank you.
I have one more question. My question is to Rima. One of the main quality of a leader is that they are self-aware and prioritize personal development and also focus on developing others. What are the main things you think you can do for developing others?
So that's a good question. The main thing that I can do developing others is only my encouragement and my inspiration for them. So that only I can do now in this situation. So I can support them, I can inspire them, and if they are just no, I can't do like that in their mind, I can change their mind like they can. If you can, then if everyone can, then you also can. That situation I can bring them in some changes. So I think we all have some thing to share everything. So I think in everyone's life there's one situation in like that. I can do what I said now. Okay, so I can encourage them, encourage and encourage. That's the main thing. They want in their mind and motivating them to do any kind of things that without any fear or something. That's the main thing I can do.
Okay, thank you, Rima.
Thank you.
And sir, I have one more question to Liana of 8th. Liana,
Yes.
what is your leadership vision?
Can you say that once more?
What is your leadership vision?
What is your vision of leadership? That is what she asked. Liana.
We can see all of them in equally. That is the main thing we can do. See all equally, in my case. And to fulfill my promises, I will be try my best. And I am here to you at any time. You can contact me with any problems.
Okay, let me ask one question to all candidates available here. Please answer me. How is going our online classes right now?
Online class. Actually, it is going well in our better way because our pandemic condition is going worse sometimes because of that we are sitting in online class. But I think it is a good option if there is no offline class, and our classes are also going well and improvements are also happening, and students are also they are accepting the changes and they are also trying to improve. And maybe some students are not much active as they want. So I think I would, if I become a head girl, I would like to find some students and I would like to find their talent by asking them, by calling them. I would like to find their talent. I would also like to put them forward for everything. So I think finding them also is an important thing. And other than that, everything is going all right, and our exams are also coming, and students are preparing well for that. So everything is going fine, and people are accepting changes also.
Okay, instead of just simply sitting in off, we are this is someone was just simply sitting in online classes. So we want to look them also. I think nowadays online classes are pretty going good, and especially in our classroom also, Google Classroom. It's a pretty good app now. So we want to through that this online classes itself, we want to improve our knowledge. And if it is in off, we want there's like special cases in offline class. We want interaction between our friends and teachers. That will be much better, but that's not possible now as we are in this situation. So instead of that, just in online class itself, we are getting as much as this in offline classes, but not with that interaction that was missing there. But anyway, it's a good thing in online classes. We want to study, we want to grow up. Day by day, we are growing. So we want to increase our knowledge also. So this in online classes are going well now. So that's it.
In my case, online classes are going well. I have an opinion that in Google Meet, the teachers want to told every student to switch on their video. Then only the students have a confidence to sit in front of the class. Otherwise, their mind will be anywhere.
Compared to offline
Nowadays,
class,
our class is going well, and I have few more suggestions that we.
Yes. Yes, Shane, continue.
Nowadays, our online class is going well, and I have some more suggestions to add to our class. We need some more time because we are spending our home, and there will be a great time, many works for home, and we want to help others also in the home. Then we need some more time, and we need motivational class and awareness class about the online, and we need a technical class which can introduce new technologies to our schools. And
so you want to help your home means do you want to help your mother in cooking?
Nope.
You mean that?
No, not like that. I just ask you, we need to spend more some time in our outside also, and
yes. I think Shane was also. Yes, Hadi, what is your answer for that question?
compared to offline class, online class is not that good, but as we are in a pandemic, online class are the best for us. And classes are going pretty well if you ask me, and I have the same suggestion that Liana asked, everyone should on their video, then only they will be present in the class or they will be somewhere else.
Sir, here the teachers, they are repeatedly telling them to switch on the video, but some of their friends are not switch on their video. So solution from their own friends, we have to find out. Otherwise, other actions from the side of authorities or schools, we have to take.
So let us hope these upcoming leaders will find a solution for that from themselves. Yes.
Sir, I have one more suggestion.
So let us ask that what is the solution for making it as a compulsory one, or what is the solution for that? What is the best idea to suggest everyone to switch on?
we need to tell parents that we to compulsory to switch on their children's camera, and parents want to check whether they are switching on or off. Then if the if a student is not obeying the teacher to switch on the camera, teacher want to remove the person from that class, and want to contact his parents that he is not obeying, and after then the students want to get the permission of the teacher next class to enter the next class.
Sir, I have a suggestion that we can just record the class. Teachers can say in between class or 1 or 2 times. That's enough, more than enough, I can say. We can record the class, and after
Sir,
the
I
class
have
is
one more
over,
suggestion.
teachers can look the recording of the class and see who all did not on camera and contact their parents or contact them privately.
Actually, in my case, I think students who are ready for that must be a role model for the other students, because if one person is doing, then okay, that in mentality it is coming as late. If none are doing, there will be some, especially for our students, there will be some shyness to open. But if 5 students or 10 students open and asking for another student to open, they will be opening because of that mentality. So I think the students now onwards, the students who are okay to open the video, they must open, so that they will be a role model for other students, and other students will be opening that later. I think being a role model is somewhat more better, and this kind of updation also can be given by teachers and all others. And also
I
there
hope
are
these
many,
leaders,
yeah, and
yes, I
also
hope
there are,
these leaders can be the role model for the students, right?
yes, I think so. And many students are not responding at the time and having some range problems only while asking. So I think while owning the video, there will be some benefit, because if they have range problem up to that day, we can understand. I think that's a better choice. But in another case, some person really having range problems, they can consume their data by switching off the video. So that is also a problem. But we can check whether it is positive sides and negative sides, and we can choose a better option for that, I think.
Sir, time is up.
Okay, yes. Let me wind up the program by asking you the final question. Is who is going to ask?
I have a question to Abdul Hadi.
Yeah, Anna, please ask.
Why should I vote for you, and what are the benefits that you can give us, a leader to us?
Voting for me is your wish. You can vote for anyone you like in this election. And if I am elected, I will give everyone equal opportunities by grouping them, like class 1 or age 10. This is age 10, like art competition, only 10-year-olds art competition today, tomorrow 11 years old, or tomorrow 7th standard. Like that, we can give equal opportunities so you all can excel academically and mature socially. And we can we all love sports. Most of us love sports, so we can give more sports facilities. Like there are so many apps in even in online class. We can improve our sports by doing so many quiz about sports, or doing indoor sports like chess, etc. So that's why I want you to vote for me.
I have a question to Rania. If you elected as the school leader, what is your first aim to do for the students?
Actually, I will be mostly prioritizing students, and I will be selecting the main problem faced by the students in that time, and I will be giving more opportunities for our IT problems and our online problems. Actually, some of the students, mainly if I was at a school, I will be selecting some another aims for at first, but we are in our school, not our school. We are using mobile phone as a medium for that. So I will be showing so many support to help everyone technologically and also other ways. So I will be providing maximum things which can be given to support our technological skills also. So I think it is a better option to do first.
Okay, let us wind up this program by, yes. Any more question?
Sir, I have a question to Liana. Sir,
Okay, fast.
All
C5,
students are
C5.
all students are stressed with online class. Do you have any idea to make it fun?
Liana, the question is for you.
Liana?
She's not here, I think. Do you want to ask the same question, you? Then was there able to ask a question?
Why do you sell?
Bas. Basil, please ask.
Sorry.
Asmiya, are you going to ask a question?
But if you have any problem, you can type through text.
Maybe the chatting is disabled. Okay. So, dear candidates, I have a final question to you all. By this, we will be finishing it. Yes. If I am getting permission, only I will ask. Let me ask Kuleka ma'am. They are the authority.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more question we can ask to them, sir.
Yeah. Okay. See, the question is regarding the election candidates. Okay, who can contest in the election? There was a discussion going on here, and I have heard that in our school last year there was no election for head boy and head girl. Previous year we had election for head boy separately, head girl separately, then arts captain separately, and the only that the students of 10th standard were allowed to be the candidate contest in the head boy and head girl candidature. And what is your personal opinion regarding the change this year we are experiencing right now?
Actually, in my opinion, that's just a stereotype by thinking that only 10th standard students actually they may be think, or there will be a canvassing like, oh, I'm in 10th standard, I have only one chance as like. So in my opinion, there is that is a stereotype, and I don't think it is true because if 10th standard they may have more experience only may because different people are in different situations, so I think choosing a person below is also a good option because you are giving a good chance for a person to prove their skills. And actually by looking our history, because I think many of the years, none of the, I asked my sister, none of them became a school head or school leader or being a ninth below 10th. So I think moving or coming forward is one of their best good option to say, because none of them became a head girl or head boy in that position before 10th. So some students knowingly became or knowingly came forward. So that's one of their best quality to be said. So I think that's a stereotype. So we don't want to spread any stereotype. We just want to accept the truth. And maybe if a 9th standard one win the contest, it will be a history for our NEMS. There's a chance. And also, I really appreciate our Abdul Hadi and Liana, Agil, everyone, because they came forward for this position. So I really appreciate them. Actually, I already think by my mind that I want to appreciate it.
In offline classes also there was a 9th standard and 10th standard both have the power to become a head girl. But what we can do, they selected 10th standard students that we can do nothing about it. And Rania said that this is our 10th standard last chance. That's the truth. This is our last chance to be. You have another chance also in next year, but that we don't have. So I don't know why NEMS choose only 10 standard only have the chance to be a head girl. But I think for arts and sports there will be a separate head girl we want to choose. That's from 8, 9, 10. That's no problem. But I think we want to choose separately for arts and sports, because if we choose from, there are a lot of students, they want to become not for the head girl but become at least a arts head or a sports head. If we are selecting only the 10th, 9th, and 8th for only head girl or head boy position, we can't do the vote will be splitted. From our class, there will be so many other persons who are interested in to be a arts or sports boy, but arts boy or sports boy or girl. But what we can do, only so said that only for head boy or head girl, so they will left, because if they thought that if the vote was splitted, they will not be get any head boy or head girl position, even or arts boy or arts girl position. So I think we need a separate election for the arts girl and arts boy itself. But I know that's not possible in this situation. But it's only my opinion, okay? You
Actually,
can take it. Get said, Rania.
yes, but I also noticed many of the friends were thinking that, oh, head girl, then I am not interested, but I want to become a sports or arts leader. Actually, that was a correct thing she told, because I also noticed that I think Shepin and Nesha, I think they just leave because they want to become head girl or not head girl but sports or arts. Actually, there's a thing which happened.
Yes, they want to become a art, at least arts or sports head, but because they thought that if the vote is split into half, our students, our friends will be confused who we want to be voted, who we want to elect as our head boy or head girl. So that's why they just simply left their thing.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
I have a question for you, sir. Can you guess who is most chance to win this online essay? Why, if you not interested to win it, the same.
Very good.
I think that question is not allowed here. So, Hannah, do you want me to say that you will be the winner of this election, right?
Yes.
So I will say who is, based on the debate, who is performing well, and based on the good qualities as with proving themselves, they have a good leadership skill. They should be the winner. I don't know whether they will be the winner, but I think, in my opinion, they should be the winner. But unfortunately, this election commission has not given me a voting right. I don't have a voting right, and no staff members are having a voting right. So, yes. Okay, thank you for asking the question. Next, I think for my question, there are some other candidates have to give me the answer.
Sir, can I ask a question? All students, students, can you prefer that online class or offline class is more fun? Because all the leaders are saying technology. What should our previous teaching method? Candidates also can type in the chat box. Online or offline will be more fun.
Is this question for candidates?
No, it's just
all the
fun. I
students.
think it is not. It is out of the debate.
Okay.
I think. Okay.
It's out of the debate. Just for an information, Aslam is having a doubt whether students are opting for online or offline classes. Sure, everyone, 100% the students are giving the answer. Offline class is better.
Students and teachers are
Is there anyone who is having different opinion? No one is having. Even I support. Easy question, I guess. Okay. Yes. Anyway, CS, shall we wind up the program? VM. Okay.
So I have to say one thing that the offline makes different because they just relax with the friends and talking to the friends. It can get relaxed from their stress. Why should we can conduct a open meet for the students only for once in a week or once in a month? That can be a great chance.
Yeah, that's
Even
right.
the even the election would be more fun when we are conducting offline election. Election campaigns and activities would be more fun, right?
Yes, by adhering all this protocol, we want to open meet.
Let us wait. Let us pray. Yeah. Anyway, it was a nice program. William, you have to say.
So when the pandemic situation subsided, we can plan likewise, sir. Now let's conclude, sir.
Yeah.
So like, Miss is there?
Okay, Miss. And one thing to say to Reema, I think she is not happy with us. Actually, there was no limitation to the candidates. We already mentioned in the format about this all. If anyone will achieve more than 10% vote, they will get a chance to become a member of Students' Council. Among them, they should be selected as arts captain or sports captain. That we already mentioned.
Okay.
So let us call Hafsatamis for vote of thanks.
Hello. Good evening, all. Actually, it was a very nice session. So very fantastic, yeah. So our candidates all are with the powerful visions and also powerful opinions are there. Okay, so there will be a confusion among students to whom I will vote, to whom I will cast my vote. Okay, so anyway, good luck for all. So thank you for all participants also candidates. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you everyone. Goodbye.
Thanks to all.
Thank you, sir, for this.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So